Hello! Let's learn simple English together.
Repeat after me. These are 120 English sentences for daily use. Listen and speak. I wake up early every day. I wake up early every day. I get out of bed at 6. I get out of bed at 6. I brush my teeth first. I brush my teeth first. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a quick shower. I take a quick shower. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. I make my bed. I make my bed. I eat breakfast at home. I eat breakfast at home. I drink coffee in the morning. I drink coffee in the morning. I check my phone. I check my phone. I leave the house at 7. I leave the house at 7. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I listen to music on the way. I listen to music on the way. I arrive on time. I arrive on time. I start work at 8. I start work at 8. I say hello to my coworkers. I say hello to my coworkers. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. I plan my tasks. I plan my tasks. I work until noon. I work until noon. I take a lunch break. I take a lunch break. I eat lunch with friends. I eat lunch with friends. I drink some water. I drink some water. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I go back to work. I go back to work. I have a meeting today. I have a meeting today. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I ask a question. I ask a question. I take notes. I take notes. I finish my tasks. I finish my tasks. I leave work at 5. I leave work at 5. I feel relieved. I feel relieved. I go back home. I go back home. I stop at the store. I stop at the store. I buy some food. I buy some food. I get home late. I get home late. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I relax for a while. I relax for a while. I watch some TV. I watch some TV. I check social media. I check social media. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I cook dinner at home. I cook dinner at home. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. I take a short break. I take a short break. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I feel calm. I feel calm. I take a shower at night. I take a shower at night. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I prepare for bed. I prepare for bed. I check my alarm. I check my alarm. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I go to sleep early. I go to sleep early. I feel sleepy. I feel sleepy. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I fall asleep quickly. I fall asleep quickly. I wake up feeling good. I wake up feeling good. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready for the day. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I feel more awake. I feel more awake. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I feel hungry. I feel hungry. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. I enjoy my food. I enjoy my food. I feel satisfied. I feel satisfied. I check the weather. I check the weather. It looks sunny today. It looks sunny today. I wear comfortable clothes. I wear comfortable clothes. I leave the house again. I leave the house again. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The bus is full. The bus is full. I find a seat. I find a seat. I look out the window. I look out the window. I enjoy the view. I enjoy the view. I arrive at my destination. I arrive at my destination. I start my day calmly. I start my day calmly. I feel confident. I feel confident. I stay focused. I stay focused. I work step by step. I work step by step. I ask for help. I ask for help. I help others too. I help others too. I stay positive. I stay positive. I do my best. I do my best. I feel proud. I feel proud. I take care of myself. I take care of myself. I try to stay healthy. I try to stay healthy. I drink enough water. I drink enough water. I eat good food. I eat good food. I get enough sleep. I get enough sleep. I manage my time. I manage my time. I stay organized. I stay organized. I feel in control. I feel in control. I keep learning. I keep learning. I improve every day. I improve every day. I practice English daily. I practice English daily. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I repeat the sentences. I repeat the sentences. I speak out loud. I speak out loud. I am not afraid. I am not afraid. I make mistakes. I make mistakes. I learn from them. I learn from them. I feel more confident. I feel more confident. I understand more. I understand more. I speak better now. I speak better now. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I practice every day. I practice every day. I stay consistent. I stay consistent. I trust the process. I trust the process. I see progress. I see progress. I feel motivated. I feel motivated. I keep going. I keep going. I do not give up. I do not give up. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I will succeed. I will succeed.